All right, so I got filled there on my order. This happened a bit too quickly for me to speak while I was trading, so I couldn't really explain what I was doing. But on the first trade here, I tried to sell below the signal bar, but another issue with my hotkeys, as soon as I pressed transmit, it transmitted the order at the close of the bar. And then my limit order was up here somewhere, my buy limit. So it filled my buy limit right away. So I entered and exited within a second. And exited break even. So that was a scratch trade. And then I placed a sell stop below that signal bar again, and a stop above, and then took profits at 25 cents. So I was going to sell half at 25 cents, but I was already fumbling so much with the orders that I decided to just take the whole thing and then reevaluate. So if this bar closes as it is and we get another follow through bar, then probably sellers above, and then I'll look to sell again. But I think, yeah, so up $1.35. It would have been nice to sell only half, but overall I think a good read and a good trade. It was a surprise breakout bar, so I bought the close. If it was a little bit smaller, I would have waited for a follow through bar, but because of how big it was, I just bought one share in case we just continue to press higher because it was so big. And then if we get a small follow through bar here, I'll add 3 or 4 shares. But if we just get up to the measured move target right now, then I'll take profits on one share. But it was so aggressively up that I didn't want to wait for the follow through in this case. I just wanted to just take it with small size and then add if we get the follow through. All right, so we got a bull body, but tail on top, so didn't buy the close, decided to buy a small pullback. And just gonna scalp for 20 cents. So if we get up 20 cents, I'll exit my full position. So I had 1 share that I bought to close here, and then 5 shares below this bar, and then I have a scale in order to buy 5 more in case we drop 30 cents. I think it's a strong enough breakout that first reversal down will be bought. It's a trading range day, so I'm not sure how valid the breakout is, but I think it's a strong enough surprise that we shouldn't go straight down. So I'm willing to take a chance on it. We're not moving much here, so I'm just going to remove my scale in order and see if I get filled on this attempt, and if not, then I might look to get out. Testing the high close, but I think we should get above this bar here, the prior bar. Moved my order down 5 cents. Okay, so I put a stop in and got a cent away from my order. So now if we get back down to my entry, I'll just exit. All right, so got out there. Didn't get the 20 cents. I would have gotten the 20 cents there if I waited, but it just started moving so slowly. It just felt strange because we were moving up really aggressively here, and we suddenly really slowed down. So I was expecting to get that, get the profit on the first bar, and we went sideways for a really long time in here and didn't really move much. So that made me a little bit suspicious. So we did eventually reach the target, but I moved my target down 5 cents. So I ended up making 15 cents instead of 20. So now at $2.17. So I ended up breaking even on my first entry, and added 5 shares at the low of the bar. So I ended up with 6 shares total, and then exited 6 shares at my target. I bought above here for a swing, thinking double bottom bull flag, holding above the high. So I think we could get a move out of here if it breaks strongly above the flag, but only traded 2 shares because I don't want to give up my profits from before. So we'll see if we can get a breakout here. Ended up just getting out break even there. I don't really have a good reason why. It just didn't feel right. It didn't go up as quickly as I wanted it to, and didn't act as strong as I would like it to. This move down reversed this move up. Um, Obviously, it's still above my stop, but it was big up and big down. So I thought that increased the chances that we have to go sideways a bit. And so, because it wasn't looking perfect and didn't go up right away, I decided to just exit break even, and then thought if we're going to go sideways and get a second entry, then maybe I'll take that. But I may have exited too early and we might get the breakout because we do have a gap here and a measured move target slightly higher. But it just wasn't acting right.